Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to link PDF file automation in Appsheet. So the very first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Appsheet and you have to log into your account. Okay, so after logging into your account, you'd be able to see here now your apps and your databases. So what we're going to do here is we can create a new app, start with existing data, or start with a template or blank app. Okay, or you can also create a new database, import from Sheet. So what we are going to do here is we are going to use an existing app for this video. So this one. And then once you're here, just click on the home option at the top left of your screen. And at the right side, you'll be able to see here the preview of your app. Okay, so the next thing they should do is to go to the automation section. Okay, so this one. And then what we're going to do here is to create a new bot. So to create a new bot, you just have to click on this one right here and then give your bot a name. Okay, so for example, this one, when a new driver record is created, send an email, or when a new driver is created, send a notification. Or you can also type out right here, when a record is updated, create a PDF. Okay, so we can actually use this one. Then after that, just click on enter. Okay, so when this event occurs, so you just have to run the process. So for the send an email, so for the settings, you can choose send an email, send a notification, send an SMS, or you have the call webhook to create a new file or call a script. So for this one, we are going to select create a new file. And as you can see right here under the HTTP content type, we have the PDF, so the content type for body of your document. So make sure to select PDF for this one. And for the template, so the template file used to format the document body. So what you're going to do here is you are going to upload from your Google Drive, or you can also upload from your new source. Okay, and then after uploading here the template, you can now create your template. So just click on the create option. That's right, and then after that you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Now for the file store, so by default files are saved in the cloud file system associated with the app owner's account, and you can explicitly add a file store and use it instead. So we are going to select default for this one. And for the file folder path, so relative folder path where files are saved, so only respected by some data sources, so leave blank for the default behavior. And then for the expression assistant, so just have to enter an expression right here. Okay, and then for the file name prefix, so prefix for this name. So yeah, for the file name prefix expression for action, send an email to. Okay, and then for the disable timestamp, so if the timestamp suffix is not added, the file names may not be unique. So you have to toggle the switcher for this one. And then for the attachment page orientation, so we are going to use portrait for this one, or landscape. It's up to you if what kind of format you'll have for PDF. Next, we have the use custom margins right here. So if you want to toggle the switch on for this one, you just have to input your margins. Okay, and then for the advanced settings, you can see here the inputs, the list of inputs. So you just have to add them right there, and then after that you just have to click on the save option. Okay, and as you can see, we already filled this section at the right side of our screen. And then here for the custom task, you can also choose to send SMS to the driver of the job. Okay, and then when you do that, make sure to select the create a new file. So you'd be able to see here the icon. So that means it has the PDF file type. And then if you would like to add a new task or a new step, so you just have to give your step a name. Okay, so just click on this add a new step and then just type out the name of your step. And then here under the options sections, you have the trigger other bot, so you can toggle the switch on for this one if you want to. And then for your bot icon, so you just have to choose what kind of icon you want to use for this bot. And then for the documentation, we have here the descriptive comments. So if you want to put the comment right here, just click on it and then click on save after that. Now you can actually test it. Okay, so when you click on the test option right here, you'd be able to see here the other details. So for your information as well, the Appsheet is a powerful no-code platform that allows users to automate PDF generation efficiently. And one of its biggest advantages is its seamless integration with Google Workspace, enabling users to pull data from Google Sheets, Forms, and other sources to create customized PDFs. So this automation reduces the manual work and errors, ensuring consistency in reports, invoices, and other documents. And additionally, the AppSheet's intuitive interface makes it easy for non-technical users to design workflows, set up triggers, and generate PDFs based on the predefined templates. And this means that businesses and individuals can save time while maintaining accuracy in document generation. And another key advantage of the app sheet is its flexibility and accessibility. So, since it is a cloud based platform, the users can access and manage their PDF automation processes from anywhere using mobile devices or desktops. And then the ability to incorporate conditional logic also ensures that PDFs are generated dynamically based on specific criteria, improving efficiency in various industries such as sales, logistics, and human resources. So, furthermore, AppSheet's automation's capabilities can be extended through integration with third-party services. So, that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.